Hi there and welcome to the third video of ADHDers. Now this is my fifth take because I just couldn't get the microphone to work. It's finally working now, so fantastic. I basically had it on the wrong settings. Yeah, I'm an idiot, I know. Anyway, this is the last video of the table build. I have taken all of the clips after the last lot and I have bunched them up. I've made them go faster so it just zips right through. I'm not going to do a voiceover, so you're just seeing me working down the build. Let me know if you want to know more about it. Give us a shout in the comments, and that, you know, if you think that the way the video is being edited is good, bad, if there's something I should change, if there's something I should add, just, you know, give us a shout, let me know. Again, big shout out to Glasgow Wood for making all this possible as well. I really appreciate all their help. And I would also like to give a big shout out to my friend Scott, who has not only encouraged me to do this, you know, he's been giving it, Chris, you've got a lot of content, you do a lot of stuff, YouTube it, you know, get it out there, show people what you can do, and maybe you'll help a few people out as well with, you know, ideas or actually showing them how to make, build, fix, whatever. He has a couple of YouTube channels himself. He has one called RetroHawk and one called Pixel Fix. Pixel Fix, he's doing a lot of repairs, games, consoles, etc., stuff like that. And RetroHawk, it's a gaming channel. He just does run throughs of games. So yeah, if you like what you're seeing, hit the like, hit the subscribe, and give us a shout. Thanks very much. Cheers. Bye. Now, as always, you can see the star of the show down there, little Patchy. Hello puppy! Yeah, he's looking for some fuss, isn't he? Never too far from my side. Although I do try to keep him in the living room obviously when I'm doing work like this, so he doesn't get hurt. Covered in sawdust, breathing sawdust in, or trip me over and kill me. Which in all fairness he'd probably do, wouldn't you? Yeah. Yeah. Right, so I'm going to put a poll up. Who wants to see Patch with a wee high-vis jacket saying supervisor? Let us know. Put your name down in the poll, and if the yeses get it, then we shall do it. And by the way, he does love wearing wee jackets and stuff, so it's not me forcing it on him. the moment of truth. Truth. Wish me luck. Oh, yes. Alright, yep, that's fine. What it is it's actually stuck on. I've got a wire running along the back there to a set of sockets down there. But I can unpin that and it will all go in. But it's in, it fits, and it works. And it's great. And it just adds to the rest of these units. So, you know, I'm well happy. Once I take that wire out, I'm going to need to have a think about how exactly I'm going to do it, because I still want the sockets under there, but I would like it to sit right back flush. So I'll have a think about that and see how I'm going to do it. I'd like to say thank you for everybody that's watched. Please like, subscribe. Tell me what you think. Tell me if you've got any ideas. Tell me if you would do something differently, please, because I'm by no means a professional. I'm just somebody that likes to do woodwork. I like to do a bit of everything. So I like to piss about. And a huge big shout out again to Glasgow Woods, because without them, well, none of these units here would have been possible. And it has really made the most of my living room. It's given me so much storage space, it's unreal, that I wouldn't have had otherwise, or I'd have to have spent literally thousands upon thousands of pounds on furniture. Or, you know, paying somebody thousands of pounds to come and do something like this when I can do it myself. So yeah, a big shout out to Glasgow Woods. They're in South Street, so if you are local, if you're looking for, because they will do builds as well, you know, they build furniture. You can go in, you can give them plans, you can talk through stuff with you. I used to do a bit of volunteering there. I haven't been up there for a while, don't do it. And unfortunately, a couple of the people that have left, Chris and John, who were fantastic at this, they helped me with a few wee ideas for the design and how to do stuff and the best way to go about things. So thank you so much to them. Also, thank you to Dave, Adam, Kyle, Michael. God, there's loads. I honestly can't. If I've missed you, I do apologise. But an absolutely huge thank you to Janet, who is just an absolute fantastic person, and she helped me out so much, and you know, really helped me sort of gain my confidence back again after a rough time in my life. And I can't thank you all enough. So please, I'll put a link in the description for Glasgow Wood, so please check them out. They're fantastic, and yeah, thanks again everybody.